few years ago, I was making plans to relocate my practice. And at the same time, the software that I've been using for the last 20 years seemed stagnant. And I wanted to adopt a software that had a vision of improvements and new features to adopt to modern technology. My name is Dr. Nicole Van, and I've been in practice for 30 years. I've been a general dentist, and I work with all ages, adults and children, do a lot of work in cosmetic dentistry and full mouth reconstruction, as well as laser procedures to the practice and doing a little bit more of anti-aging, facial rejuvenation, and snoring treatments. I've been with Oryx for 2 years. I was looking for a software that was cloud-based to allow a more seamless workflow throughout the practice for team members as well as work remotely. I was also looking to consolidate all the third-party vendors that I had outsourced to support my previous software, and I found that Oryx had comprehensive features that allowed us to eliminate the third-party vendors and also support us in the maintenance and backup systems of our software. I've seen wonderful increase in patient retention and Recare efficiency within our practice because of the Recare dashboard and the systems in place that allows my team members to reach out to patients that don't have appointments or patients that are late or have had broken appointments. The patients have appreciated seamless communication from the team members and having all team members understand what their needs were without having to repeat themselves. On the clinical side, the customizable templates has allowed us to customize to our practice needs and standardize it across all providers so that we all follow the same steps through all our clinical procedures and also clinical notes and clinical charting as well. The integrated AI in our readings of x-rays has been a great wow factor for patients. We explain to them that it's been our second set of eyes to double check and go through their x-rays with a fine-tooth comb, and it's allowed us to at times pick up small details that we may have missed with screening the traditional way. For other colleagues that are considering a new software, I would say that Oryx is user-friendly, it's modern, it's clean. We've had a great experience onboarding new members as well as veterans of the industry that are just trying out a new software. I do believe Oryx is the most forward-thinking platform out there in our dental industry. I believe that the company itself is evolving with our industry. They understood the elements from a business owner perspective as well as the clinical provider, and I felt like they were aligned with clinicians that were valuing a high standard of care. Oryx, by dentists for dentistry.